Hi Zoidies, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. And today I am ecstatic, y'all. I finally got my happy mail from a stationery company that has gifted me some items to show on my YouTube. Like, I'm excited. Plannerzoid is moving up because someone gifted me, okay? So thank you. I want to thank, it's called Hubman and Chubgirl. And this is their thank you card. And it's so cute because it's like a little small family owned company, but they're doing really good. Like, they make a lot of sales. Like, they're popular, but they're still a small business. And it's really nice because I also follow their Instagram and you can like see their process and their journey and everything and their story. So it's just a great watch. So definitely check out their Instagram. They just gifted me some items to show on my channel because I did reach out and say, hey, I just wanted to show some new items and what do you think? Basically something like that. So thank you again. First, I want to start with their packaging. So look at their packaging. The Happy Mail packaging is really adorable. And I want y'all to check out this box because first off, if you go on their website, they have a bunch of different themes. So if you want to decorate your planner a certain kind of way, you can, or you can mix and match. But they have these subscription boxes that I am dying to try. I'm also dying to try their advent calendar. So I'm probably going to make those purchases sometime this year. But I wanted to show their box because the packaging is really nice. And most of their boxes and design and stuff looks like this. So I just wanted to show it. So if you do order, you'll kind of know what you're getting. I think I can give a little bit of a brief background because I did watch their video. But basically the wife, she was, I believe, like an architect or something. And then she left that job to pursue her dreams, which was like creating stuff. And she created this amazing advent calendar. It's like shaped like a gingerbread house. And it has a bunch of different stationery and accessories in it. Super cute, super adorable. But basically this company is like, I guess, owned and ran by a family. So family found it. And then on top of that, like the drawings and everything are hand drawn. So it just has a nice personal touch to it. It's just really nice. So in my package, they said that I could choose up to $50 value. It's not a lot, but at the same time, I was going to make the most of it, okay? So I wanted to show the items that I got, and then I'm probably just going to talk about what I'm going to do with them. So the theme that I was going for was like fall. So I had to choose something from autumn. So some of their items that they sell have like bundles, and you can choose from different kind of bundles. Some of them are single stickers, some of them are like a small bundle like this, and some of them are like full-blown subscription boxes. If you get any one of these kind of cardboards, keep them. You can definitely use them in your crafts. Okay, so let's start with opening this. So I got some die cut stickers. And I chose apples because first off, I had a payment limit. So there's that. But also I chose apples because I thought it would be perfect for the fall. And look how cute kawaii these stickers are. And kawaii is my favorite kind of like art style. It's just so adorable. Aww, this is so cute. And these stickers feel really nice. I want to say they're probably vinyl stickers. That's what it feels like. So they feel really nice. Almost like paper, but they're not paper, more durable than paper. I'm gonna sit them over here. Let's just scatter them out. Wait, I'll put this one over here. This is cute here. And we can put this one here. That's so cute. Next, I wanna show these little sticker sheets. I got 4. So this one's cute. It's like some apple jam, apple juice. Like, oh, this is adorable. And I'm trying to think of spreads that I want to use that's going to be an apple theme. Because I do have a sticker book that is fall theme. And it has apples all over their sticker book. But it's not apple theme. It's just fall theme. Look at the little wagons. Like, this would be great to use as to-do stickers. Like, if you want to do bullet points. Because they're so small. I didn't know they was going to be this small, but I still like them. And you know what? This is absolutely perfect because what do I use on this channel? Small planners. I use a micro. So actually, this is perfect for a micro size planner. And all of their stickers look like it fit any size planner. Y'all, these are cute. I especially love the little apple pies. And I think I like this one with the apple trees. Oh, and the apple juice. I just like it all. I've been eyeballing their website for probably like a year, I'm not going to lie. And I'm so glad that I got a taste of what their product is, because now I know for a fact that I'm going to order more. So after these sticker sheets, I also got some more sticker sheets, but they're bigger. So I got these 2 sticker sheets. Ooh, I like this one. That apple pie looked good. And then I also got this one right here. This tree is so adorable. And the baskets of apples, that is just so cute. And then my favorite part of this order, I'm not going to lie. So this is an A5 ring bound size planner cover. Y'all, I think it's made of some kind of like velvety suede material, and look at the foil. And they have different kinds on there. However, I got this one in particular because I thought it would be perfect for fall, like the colors. But this is the only one I noticed that is foil. So if you want that shiny, that contrast, this one is beautiful. Y'all know what's crazy? Like, ever since ordering this, I have been looking more into A5 stuff. So I'm over here trying to wonder, like, should I try to use the A5 as a planner or just keep it purely decorative? And I'm thinking about doing it decorative maybe. I also thought about using it as my content planner, because originally I was going to use my Skinny Mini, but it doesn't start till 2025. So now I'm like, what size should I use for my content if I wanted to? So I'm debating that, but you'll definitely see me set this baby up. You're gonna see me give a fall ideas and inspiration when it comes to decorative planning. And I'm really excited to do that. I just wanted to use this video to just show my order and to bring a new company onto this channel, because I do want to show a variety of stationery. There's so many companies out there, and they all do a lot of handwork and drawing it, and it's just nice. So I'm glad I was able to support a small business, and they was able to support me. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Let me know down below what you think, and if you've heard of this company. It's called Hubman and Chubgirl. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, sweaties.